You know what time it is, baby? Yes, sir. Hey, check the stash shot, baby. I'm about to do this boy up. You ready or what? Yeah, like the porn stash?
All right, guys, welcome back to Weld Some More. I got Alex right here, and the other Alex right here.
Right here.
They haven't welded in a while, so right now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do something simple. It is gonna be for the belt. We're gonna be playing something like horse in basketball, but it's gonna be weld, W-E-L-D. I'm gonna tell them, hey, weld me a circle or a triangle or whatever, and whoever has the cleanest triangle, circle, or whatever is gonna be the winner, and the loser is gonna get a letter, and we're gonna go on like that till somebody gets all 4 letters, and then that's gonna be the loser, you know. So that's what we're gonna do today.
Let's get it. I'm about to whoop this boy.
Done deal. He's done. Stairway circle.
Guys, before we start, if y'all haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If y'all don't subscribe, y'all will bust y'all's next x-ray, I promise y'all. So here we go. We got Alex and the other Alex. We're gonna flip a rod. The clean side goes first.
My time, baby.
All right, this Alex is gonna go first, and the first thing I want them to do is just a little triangle, just something simple to start off. Just a triangle.
Just call me Daddy. Daddy, Alex. Daddy, Alex.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong.
Hey, sometimes you gotta put your time into it.
Instead of going like that, I went straight down.
You left mine dirty? Fuck it.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, it didn't. I grinded it all.
See, well, let me tell you something. You can easily tell who won on this one.
Yeah, you do. You won on that.
He said himself. Fuck it.
All right, winner, Alex.
So he has a W.
He has a
They
W.
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hey, what the fuck happens if I get a W?
Like horse in basketball.
Yeah, but no shot, no drink, no.
No, at the end. Fool.
10 o'clock in the morning. Fuck that.
All right, guys, that's it. Alex has a W. For the next one, we're gonna be doing an H. Best H wins. A loser gets a letter or another letter, because Alex already has an H.
Oh, I shouldn't do that.
Want the hood? Like I said.
Every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down. I'll be getting loud, you can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound.
What do you mean? Clearly, you could tell which one's better, way.
Clearly.
Yours, it looks like fucking.
All right, Alexis has more straight lines.
Yes, sir, I
This
do.
Alex has a little bit right there, you know.
Come on. All right.
Wait, you're really gonna say you beat me here? Come on, for real. Let's be honest.
All right, bitch.
So,
I didn't
Ask
stop.
you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But all I kept going. I didn't restart.
Hey, that's your fault. Look, what you could tell. Wait, look at this shit. You ain't straight. Yours looks like I got sad on the right side and
Yeah, I
just.
know.
Alex has a little bit porosity right there, but
For me?
straighter lines.
See? Oh, at the bottom? The window.
Dale, perro.
So Alex,
What's the next one?
W-E.
Fuck you. Loser.
All right, for the next one, think about it. All right, I'm gonna make it a little bit harder on these guys. Let me get a star. Whoever has a word star gets another letter. All right, let's go.
Hey, what are you doing, kid?
Shut up, wait, you gotta be smart.
Go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things.
I like it because of. And I say.
Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me.
There's no way.
What?
Wait, mine looks better. You're just like Patrick. We're not doing Patrick, we.
Yours is still fucked up. Bitch,
Oh,
they're
it's
not
not.
perfect.
It's just thick 'em.
Thick them. That doesn't matter, bro.
You don't even have no meat on yours, man. Be honest, Wayne. Al Chile.
Yes, I do, bro.
Al Chile, be honest.
I don't know. Whatever.
Please be honest. You don't have to choose a side if you don't want to. That's because no mames, way. Look at his. Like, what the fuck is that? Who spread that star open?
All right, guys.
That's a tie, bro. They're both
This
fucked
Alex.
up.
I'm gonna have to give it to this Alex right here.
Mames, way.
Just because, I mean, yeah, it does look like Patrick Star, but I think he only had one start and stop, and this guy already here stopped a lot,
Well, I'm Picasso.
and this is a little bit more smoother. And we are welding on fucking piece of shit pipe, you know, that we didn't even clean, so it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna have to give it to this Alex.
That's crazy.
Right now,
That's crazy.
this guy has WE.
And
This guy has W.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you just
I get W's. Shit. Come on.
Fucking comeback.
All right, for this next one, I'll make it a little bit easier, I guess. Well, not really. Well, I'm gonna give him circle. Best circle wins. So let's go.
Red circle wins?
On that circle, I'm gonna draw a whole body. Watch.
Whole body.
I can't wait. I feel like I'm so. Man, mom and I haven't ordered in 8 years. I know, mommy. If I lose this, I'm gonna just go home because it's
Go home, bro.
That's bullshit. Way.
Nah, I don't know who won. Honestly, they're both. It's hard to make a shape, dude. On fucking old.
Mine
body.
looks more like a circle though. If you think about it.
Huh? Who's?
Mine looks more like a circle. Yours is more like an oval.
All right.
You can't
They
lie.
both look like shit. I'm gonna have to give it to this Alex, cause this guy over here,
Did an
this guy
oval.
over here, I don't know. It kind of looks like oval. It has like a little triangle on the side right there. This guy, I don't know.
I was trying to make
Messed
an
up on the
eyeball.
bottom, but let me know what y'all think. But I'm gonna have to give it to this guy right here. All right, this guy,
they
WE
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
L. This guy
Hey, we're doing
W.
weld, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're missing a D.
You're missing the D. Not me.
Loser, I guess. Loser will have the option to take a shot or shotgun a beer
Do some crazy shit.
or
man.
something. I don't know. We'll think about it right now, but
I gotta drive fast as fuck in the golf cart and I just fucking brake. See if you can hold on to the top.
Alright, sure.
We'll do that.
something like that.
No. Fucking
What we got?
jackass or what?
We'll do it like this. Winner chooses. Winner chooses.
Una cachetada.
Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy.
No.
Hey, but he hasn't won yet, so
Yeah,
let's
you
get
know,
to this
I'm
last-
known for last minute. I end up losing, so yeah, I fucking choke. So, what's next? What's going on?
Let me think about it.
Pinches tren, audio.
Shit was hard.
Circle 2 is pretty hard. I gotta know.
All right, I got it. Next one's gonna be a money sign. Money sign with the S and
One straight line?
there's one straight line on there.
Pursuit, está muy chiquito.
Well,
One
that's
straight
hard
line.
though, way, 'cause-
So yeah, that'll be the next one.
Dale, güey. Get to it, son.
Where's the hard? I mean,
Game point. He's on game point right here.
Oh my.
Let's see if he don't choke. How you feeling?
Chokey. The money sign win. Chokey. Nah, I got it win. It's what I get, you know. So I'm already familiar with this sign. So we'll see what's up.
That I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out. Call it what
I probably did choke on this one. Oh man, it is what it is. Bug. That shit. It's a little musty, but no mames. What
I
is
went
this?
sideways, bitch. I
That
didn't
ain't no money sign.
What is it, bro?
You tell me you did it.
All right, these guys both suck.
Nah, but
This-
mine's like more legit, right in the middle way.
Lines in the middle is still all crusty. This guy, I don't know. This guy's a 9 with the. This guy did a 9 with a little hook on the bottom.
That's a fishing hook, literally.
All right. These guys both suck. It is on dirty pipe without cleaning and stuff, but come on. I mean,
I went up. Should've came down.
I'm not a welder, guys. I'm a boiler faker, dog. I mean, I try to give y'all what I got. That is what I got.
Should've came down. I went up.
all right. I think you had it at first, but that
Yeah.
line messed you up.
That's because I was running a rod. I guess I went sideways when I tried to adjust my swing.
First, it was the wind.
The wind, dude.
Then the
The little breeze
rod.
comes in.
So you
All right, so I'm gonna have to give it to this guy right here. The winner right here. This guy,
They ask you
WEL
how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just
Welded.
to W.
which is winner. That's what I do, baby.
I mean, I thought they were gonna do better than this, but
Wait, a star? That shit was hard as fuck, man. What? Better than
I was
this.
taking my shark.
no, hey, he gets to pick.
Oh, you got a pig?
Yeah.
He gets to pick what he has
What
to
do you
do.
want, wait?
Nothing too
To-
ridiculous, but
Do you gotta spin 20 times
Oh, not mine.
and then shotgun it.
I ain't doing that.
No mames.
nah, 10 times, 10 times.
15 times. Ni tú ni yo a la verga. Take it or leave it, way, or it's gonna be worse for you. I'm chilling. Go. What you got?
How am I gonna fucking pop it when I'm fucking?
Look, we'll have it ready.
Yeah, we'll have it ready,
for
We'll give it
you.
to 'em.
You spin.
I know it. Hey, fucking jackass or what? You're hiring?
Well, we're doing their little interview right here. Go. Wait, let's have it ready for him.
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah.
I'm gonna do it like E-Boy, se le va a caer toda la vironga.
That's intense.
You know how to do it? Right there.
I know how to do it. 15 times? For real? I heard about 10, bro.
Yeah,
About
they're ready.
15.
You ready?
No.
You want me to open it for you, or?
No, like that. He has to open it.
Okay, go.
15 times.
15 times, bitch.
And fast, way. None of that little bullshit, way. Mira. That's another What is he thinking of? Like, wait, you just gotta spin.
I know, but
Wait, and this is
I
one
hope I
right
don't
here.
fucking go to the sideways when
No,
I'm done.
this is one right here. So, boom, 3, 4.
Alright, count them.
Go.
You gonna count 'em?
Yeah, I'll count them loud. All right, go. Fast, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, why are you dancing?
Bitch, I can't fucking.
Hey, solo. Go.
Oh, you got 3 more.
14, 15. Dale. Here.
Where's the thing at?
Right there. What? All the way. Don't fall back now. All right, let me go look at my beer. Did you hear the beer?
Nah, there was none. Jackass 2.0?
I finished it. That was good. Now give me a beer.
Hey, wait, when I was done, that wasn't fun.
It looked like you were dancing.
Hey, wait,
Hey,
I
can
couldn't,
you
like,
edit
I was
music on
looking at
there?
y'all. You see, I'm alone.
Can you edit some music on there or no?
Yeah. All right. As you know, this was for the belt. So this guy,
Where's my belt?
he gets the Welding more belt. I don't know where it's at, but
It sucks to win off of this shit, but
That was a good one.
I need a faja.
That was a good one.
Ahí está. Ahí quedó. Hold my shit while I take my picture in the back. Loser. Anyways, as y'all can see, anybody want to run it with me, look who got the belt. Gary, wherever you're at, come see me. Anybody else that wants to come see me, y'all know where I'm at.
all right, guys, that's it. It was just a little. I didn't have any pipe or nothing like that. That's why we did it like this. These guys both suck, but I mean, Alex right here, is the winner. He has the belt now, so whoever wants to come get the belt, Gary, whoever, could come get it. But that's it, guys. Hope y'all like the video. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Remember, if y'all don't subscribe, y'all will bust y'all's next x-ray. So that's it. We'll see you on the next one.